Welcome back, everybody. I am so glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. So, I'm going to try to keep this as upbeat as possible, but this is a serious topic. Yesterday, we lost a YouTube creator to suicide. The man was absolutely brilliant, and I will leave a link to a couple of videos of the last one he did and the one his brother did as a follow up. We all go through life changing events. I've talked about that in the past. And if you get one life changing event on top of another life changing event on top of another life changing event, it wears on you. Okay? From what I understand, and I'll let his other brother's video explain it in more depth, but he lost his wife a year and a half ago, didn't get over it, and he was suffering physically with pain. I can relate to pain. Okay? And I can relate to loss. I have not lost anyone dear to me lately, but I have in the past. His decision to commit suicide was his belief of a solution to his problem. But suicide is not a solution. Reach out to somebody. If you get into a situation where you or someone you know is right on the edge, there's help. Okay, even if it's just reaching out to me. My email address is in my account. You can reach me by email and say, hey, you have time to talk. I'll make time. We all wear masks. We all wear masks to hide what's inside. My YouTube mask is on when I'm behind the camera. Well, in front of the camera. I have a mask that I wear when I'm alone with family or when I'm gathering with family. That's a different mask. When I'm out in public, there's another mask on. When I used to go to work, that was another mask. All right. If you're into sports and sporting events and different, we wear different masks for different things. And what it does, it hides what you're really going through. So I just want to let you know that you matter and what you do matters, and that there are other people you matter to. So reach out to them, and you reach out to somebody if you need help, because suicide is not the answer. There's phone numbers you can call. I'll see what I can find and put them down in the description box. I think there's a number like either 888 or 999 or something like that. And if you happen to know of any organizations near you that offer help, leave it in the comments. I won't reply to them, but leave it there for other people to see, and then they can reach out if they need to. Because we're all out here in our sheds, in our garages, in our basements, in our workshops, all alone. When we take our masks off, we're by ourselves, which allows us to go to the positive side of things, or it allows us to go to the negative side of things. On the positive side, we can shed all of the stress from the day and sharpen a plane blade, sharpen a chisel, make some shavings, build a box, make a picture frame, whatever. Or just come in here and putter, okay? And get into some sort of a Zen moment, okay, where you're physically healing yourself, mentally healing yourself. But if you start wandering, to the negative side of things, like me, with all the stuff I want to part with and get rid of and clear out, it's draining on me. It has to be done. It will get done. And that's just the way it is. So that's about it, everybody. I hope that if nothing else, this video will reach one person and help them rethink what they're going through. I'm not going to ask you to like this video. However, the more thumbs up it gets, the more times it'll be seen. And I do encourage you to share this video. And of course, I'm always welcome new subscribers. So subscribe and share. And don't forget to head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.